I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Good Riddance, The Time of Your Life by Green Day. This is a great song for somebody that's just getting familiar with simple, basic first position chords and strumming patterns. And it's a very recognizable song. If we play it for people, they'll recognize it. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? So this song has a total of 4 chords. You're going to have this G chord, a C chord, a D chord, and an E minor. The first chord you're going to play is going to be this G chord. You're going to have your second finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. Your first finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the A string. These 2 fingers are going to go down here on the 3rd fret of the B and the E. And that's how you're going to pick these chords. The G chord you're going to do twice. Down, down. Then you're going to switch to a C chord. It's a simple transition. You're going to take these 2 fingers, you're going to move them both down 1 string. 3rd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D. On the C chord, you're only going to do it once though. From there, you're going to hit the D chord. The D chord is just going to be the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd fret of the E string, and the 3rd fret of the B. So that's the first progression. You're going to play that twice. Then you're going to move into the next chord progression that's a little different. It starts on an E chord. It's an E minor. You're going to put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A. Your 3rd finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the D chord, of the D string. And from there, you're going to go back to the D 1 time, then the C chord, and then the G chord again. And you're going to do it again. That's the second little chord progression. Then there's the 3rd part. And that's the next one. It's equally as easy, I think. It's the same chords, played just in a different order. You're going to start out with this E chord, go to the G, back to the E, back to the G. On the third time, you're going to hit the E chord. Then you're going to hit the D chord. Then you land back on that G chord and it starts all over again. So I'll play this through, beginning to end, slowly, and it'll connect all three of the chord progressions here. So those are the chords and the three little progressions that make one larger chord progression that's made up entirely of these basic chords up here in the first position. And I think anybody that's getting familiar with beginner chords could play this because it shifts between the chords kind of slowly. You can play it slower and it still sounds nice. So hopefully this helps you out. And if it does, if you would, like and subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free and it helps us out a lot. So I hope you like this and have a great day. Thank you.